Yes, hello, welcome students. As I told to you all that we'll start with the basic HTML tags tutorials, the live session, right? So I'm starting over here for computer science and IT students of class 12, 11, right? So those who have not joined, please join fast to this live session, right? Please join fast to this live session. A 30 minutes live session will be there only because of net connectivity issues, right? So those who are interested, actually on Saturday only I told you the live session that there will be HTML tag session. Okay, we'll try to cover with you can say 4 to 5 lectures in within 4 to 5 lectures, right? So over here I am starting the tag tutorial, right? So okay, I guess all are able to view the screen, right? So first of all, I check whether the screen is visible on live session or not. Yes, the screen is visible. So some basic tags we'll see over here, HTML tags. Okay, then after that you can actually subscribe the channel for CSIT videos, right, of class 11, class 12. Sorry. Okay, so subscribe the channel, like the session you can say, and stay tuned with this session. Okay, and now I'm starting. See over here students, first of all we'll learn, actually I will not tell you about basic HTML fundamentals over here, right? I will first of all go through with you can say some basic tags over here, right? So make a note of this: HTML tags, right? Sorry, HTML tags. So see over here students, when we start the basic HTML you can say program, right? First of all we are starting with HTML or HTML you can say, right? So this is the main basic part behind HTML programming, and it got enclosed with this HTML. Okay, and don't worry students, as I told in this session only, in the start of this session, that C++ programming and a little bit of Java and data structure part, explanation part also I will explain you over here in this channel. So you can subscribe the channel for class 11, 12 computer science and IT subject and physics you can say, but physics is rare basic you can say, and electronics and physics also there, but in a rare basis I used to teach over here, but I'm trying to teach now full-fledged you can say. But first of all with complete with this HTML CSS, right? So see over here, now you can say head. See why we are taking head, as you all of know that this see over here, right, over here live streaming YouTube studio, right? That means over here this is the title of this browser window, right? This is the title of this browser window, right? So I will go again over here. HTML head. In this head I will enclose first of all, as you know that whenever we are starting or when we are you can say opening a HTML tag as a, if it is a, especially it is a container tag, right? And I guess you will come across with some questions or queries that what is this container tag, right? So first of all, I will go over here and I will explain you all. See, there are two tags, you can say. One is container tag and one is, you can say, empty tag, right? The empty tag are those that closed by itself, you can say, right? For example, HR, that is horizontal rule. BR, right? This all line break. BR is what? Line break, right? HR is what? Horizontal, you can say, rule, right? Horizontal rule. That is, you can say, in a browser window. If it is a browser window, then in middle or wherever you write this code, you can say you will see a like this bar, okay, like this straight bar. I will definitely show these all things over here in Sublime text as well, right? So don't worry about that, we'll do that also. So we'll, okay, over here now, see, this is the container, and now the container tag. What is the container tag? These are the container tag. That is head is opened and then closed, actually, right? That means you can say it is a compulsion over here, that is a mandatory thing, that when you open the tags, you have to close the tag as well with a forward slash, you can say, right? So head, inside head, now I will write as title. Title, you can say sample live session, okay, sample live session, you can say. Now it is title. That means I have closed the title over here. That means when it comes, when it runs, when I run it, okay, when I run the program over here, you will see a, you can see over here live streaming is there. It is writing as this live streaming. You will see as sample live session, like this, sample live session in place of that, right? So this was head and HTML we have done, right? This is the basic blank HTML document with the title sample live session will be displayed over here at the title, okay? So we move to another slide. Over here I will take a different color. So now we'll see that HTML, right? Then head will use some another tags, right? Title, as it is common. What do you have to write? To write blah blah blah. Then you can close the head over here. Now what about you can say, if you have this box, and what about this area? This is whole, it is what? Body, right? This title comes under head section. This we have done. Now what about this all you can say screen, all page, web page, the content, main content page, you can say, right? So that we do with the help of body tag, right? Body, then we'll close the body tag over here. Those who have joined now, please subscribe the channel, like the session, and definitely share this link with your friend students so that they can have some help from this you can say session and the channel, right? Now what we'll do is we will complete this code over here, but body, right? So inside body, you can say you take a paragraph and you write some sample text, okay, sample text like this, whatever you want, you write and enclose this again, as this is a container tag, right? So that means you can say this is done for you. Screen will be there like this. Inside this will be written as sample text like this, and the title will be there, whatever you write the title, okay? So this, like this, you can say you will mention paragraph, a textual content you can say, right? A textual content, a paragraph, or some details that you write, or whatever the web page displays when you logged into a website, or you can say a news website or some sort of that. Then the text that you see or the front, that all comes under this body tag. Fine. Now what we'll take is you can say I will make it as bold. Then you can take as B tag, bold, and close it like this. Or strong you can say. You can take strong also if you want to make to this text as bolder one, right? And another option is you can say you can take font weight as bold. That comes under style sheet actually, right? That comes under style sheets that you use, that is CSS, cascading style sheet. And nowadays you will experience CSS 3 type also, right? So this we have done now over here. Then a sample paragraph has done, right? Now if you want to specify an image, right, an image, then what happen over here? You have to take an image, right? An image. But for that you have to mention the size of the image. So that means you can say this is the tag, and whatever we write inside this greater the sign, you can say the tag element, these all are known as attributes, right? These all are known as attributes. So this is the tag. If I write something addition to this, that will be the attributes. And whatever the attributes I will write, and if I mention an assign operator, or you can say an equal to a particular value, then it is a value of that attribute, you can say attribute value, you can say, right? I guess any difficulties if face while doing this, right? You can, as always, practice this all thing, you can say these all tags from this session only, right? That means or you can wait for 1 month of your test if you have if you are coming across some semester exams. No, I guess no semester will be there today now. And see, actually I'm you can say expecting that the students are all of various batches, either it could be of 11th, 12th, 10th, or you can say ninth, or you can say 14, 15, whatever it is. Okay, so we'll see. So now you can say this has done, right? Attributes is equal to value, right? So now we'll go deep into this. We'll go to one tag, this body tag. I'm starting directly with body, right? Let I take some different color over here. Okay, green color. Body. Then in body you can say I am taking image, right? So image, you can say you have to mention the width, right, the height, right, and the सबसे main wala part, that is you can say the source, what the file is, where the file is located, right? So source, then alt, alt, I will write properly, yes, then alt. Alt means what? Description, you can say, right? A description, and alternate description, right? That means an alternate description to this image you are taking. and it is very much useful, helpful in doing SEO. So this point is the main one over here, and you can close this tag. Okay, can close this image tag, and whatever you want to do, you can mention a HR or a breaks, line break, and you can close the body tag over here. That means a page will be there like this with some title that you mention, and over here an image will be there of particular height. That means what the height will be, you can say take 300 pics, and all the height that you take, you can say you can take as em, right? You can take as pixel, and very much you can say all values are there, right? Points per pixel, dots per inch, like this, dpi and all, these all are there. But you can say peaks is very much common that we use, right, in mentioning, while mentioning the width or height of a particular web control or a HTML element that we used to embed into a web page, right? So now height, okay, the height will be 300 pixels again. Then the source means what, the, you can say the page file, sorry, the image file that we take. So you can say abc.jpg, right, or sample.jpg, right? Student, like the session. Okay, if you are interested, like the session and subscribe the channel. Okay, so source is src is equal to abc.jpg, and alt is equal to description, right? So we have completed with this br and hr and all, and then the output will be like this, and hr will be there, and horizontal line will be there like this, full, and one break, that is a gap, will be there over here, right? So we have mentioned, and the image size would be like this, 300 cross 300, that is x comma y, you can say, or width or height, you can say, right? Now we have done with this basic HTML, you can say image tags and all, and image tag br hr. Now what we'll do is, you can say okay, yes, one tag, common tag, we missed out, right? Actually not missed out, actually many tags are there, we are seeing line by line, right? So see, when you take this body tag, right, inside this body tag, whatever we write, you can say, as I told, will display over here, over full here, this space, right? So you can say if we are supposed to have a heading over here like this, if a box is like this is there, right, then you can say this is the heading. Okay, a heading is there, right? Then second, again one heading is there. Third, again one heading is there, right? So you can say this is a heading, and this is some a little bit smaller one from this, and this is much more smaller from this, right? Actually student, this is a tutorial video or a session, so I have not on the live chat, right? I am not on the live chat, so you can, if you want, you can comment, okay, and subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel, or if you are my subscriber, then it's not an issue. So see, heading, okay, for heading what we use is, we use h1 tag, right? So h1, and we used to close it as h1. Then h2, that's a little bit smaller than this, h2. Then H3. Okay, then H4, right? Then H5, then H6. Okay, that means the output will be like this: heading 1, then little bit smaller as heading 2, then little bit smaller as heading 3, then again like this, again like this. That means it will go on decreasing. The font size will go on decreasing. Okay, the font size will go on decreasing. Clear? If you are, yes, now we'll do it in you can say Sublime Text Editor as well, right? We will do it in Sublime Text Editor now. Okay, so for this we have to go over here, and we will do some basic. Actually, I have explained you this h1 tags, heading tags, then image tag, then you can say form tag is also there, but form tag will do it in next session. Okay, I guess it will be on Thursday or Friday or Saturday. We'll do a session again. Okay, and test session will also be there. Okay, so fine. Over here we'll take as new, and you can say okay, see, uh, first of all, for that we have to save it, right? We have to save it. I guess on desktop I will save it. Sample ht, like this. Okay, dot html. Okay, I have saved it. See, now the color is changed, and see, when you press ht and enter, all will be covered over here like this. So actually I suggest you students to use your you can say, I guess I have not shared the screen, right? Okay, I will share over here. It's Sublime Text Editor, right? Okay, I will go through once again because I have not shared the screen, right? uh, See, what I will do is once again I will go over here like this. I will go over new, and I will see, this is a Sublime Text Editor. You have to install it, or you can install this app in your Android mobile as well as you can, or you can in the computer, right? So for this, first of all, we'll take, or we'll save the session as, let's say, ht2.html, like this, or sample, you can say sample ht2, sample ht2, like this. Okay, so you can say over here, I will see, when I press html, you see this, what happens, it comes automatically. All the extra, that is external, or the you can say outer view. Yes, students, I guess some network because of some network connectivity, uh, I guess the session has been disconnected. Okay, I guess call is there, so the network has been disconnected. Okay, so we came back, and students, please like this session and subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel, as over here you will be able to learn all your class 12, 11 or 9, 10th ICSC boards or class 11, 12 Maharashtra board IT subjects concepts, right? Basic IT concepts you can say, that is HTML, C++, Java, Python, etc., etc., and some part of physics as well. Okay, so first of all we go over here as I did previously. Now what we will do is we will take a h1 tag, right? Over here you can say heading sample heading, you can say, right? Sample heading 1. Okay, as I explained over here to you all, see, this all we will see over here today's in practical session, then we'll wind up over, then we'll see some other tags in other sessions. We'll see, first of all we'll check, right, what we are into. Okay, so you can say h1, then h2 tag, right? You can say h2 I have written, right? Then I will, what I will do is I will simply I will copy paste this as it will not take any time and will not bore you all. So see, sample heading 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 3, then this is 4. See students, we'll make one fun over here, that whether it access this h3 tag or h2 tag, as I have not closed with a proper tag but opened an another tag, that is I have opened h3 tag but I am closing with h2 tags. Will it work or not? We'll check over here, right? So first of all I will save this, and you can say I will open this ht, it has done, right? Okay, desktop, I guess I have saved in desktop, right? So ht, where is ht? Okay, there is ht, not getting. Okay, I will take this quick access. Okay, I guess sample ht. Yes, we have done. Okay, sample ht, right? It is sample ht. See over here how it looks like. Sample heading 1, sample heading 2, sample heading 3, sample heading 4, sample heading 5. But see, will it, is it making any effect? Yes, is it making any effect? Yes, no. That means over here it is not a case sensitive, or you can say proper syntactical view is also not necessary, you can say, right? That means if you started with any tag but the main tag, it will catches up of your this h3 only. So we'll delete this, will not close this, and we'll run this. What happens? Let's see. See, it takes again the tags value only, that will opened over here, right? So now if I make again this h2 and this has close like this, let's see what happens. See, again it comes. That means it accesses without any closing. Also it accesses this h2 tag. That means it doesn't require any proper you can say methodology to follow the programming rules actually over here, right? This is the case, you can say. Okay, so now we'll again go through with this. We'll close this. Okay, I guess it was h2, right? So I've closed h2, then again all I will close with the proper tags. Okay, so done with this. Now we'll take a paragraph as we discussed in the lecture previously only. P, you can say this is a sample demo article for HTML programming article, or you can say live session, okay, for HTML programming. And we'll close this, right? And now if I want, I can take, as I discussed, I will take an image over here, right? Not IMP, an image. Okay, it will ask the source from where you have to take. Then the width and height. Okay, the width and height. Width is, you can say, 300 pixels as I taken, and the height that I taken, actually we'll see over here. Height is the same, you can say 300 pixels, right? And then we will close this. Actually it is by default closed. This body I have done. Now see the source I will take over here. For that, what the source is, you can say I will take this only. Okay, this is a long one. That's not possible over here. Okay, okay, I will take this, right? I will take this as rename. I will do the rename part over here, or I will take as the like this only, no, right? That is unit 5 dot jpg, I guess. Yes, dot jpg, unit 5 dot jpg, jpg. Okay, let's see it comes or not. Okay, let's see it comes or not. See over here, it didn't came. See, this is the paragraph, you can say, or I will make it multiple times so that it will look like a junk paragraph. Not junk, chunk, a chunk of lines that is construed as paragraph. Okay, so this, you can say, you will see over here, this, the paragraph has been there, right? So over here you can open this image and you can mention it in alt, so that if it doesn't load, if it's not loading due to poor connection of your net connectivity or some else reason, with some else reason or any other reason, then you can take as YouTube icon like this. Means a basic uh, for session. Okay, right? So this is there. So what I will do is I will make it as YouTube icon. So we'll check over here. See, when it not loading, see, it will show me the basic idea about the image, what the image is all about. That is being shown over here like this, YouTube icon for session, this live session, you can say, right? So what we'll do is we will take this. Actually, what I guess we have not mentioned the path properly, where this image is like this. Okay, so for that, go over here, we will go to properties, then you can say, see, this is the path, so it is not accessed. So I have to mention this path over here. Okay, but then also see, I mentioned, see, now it came. Okay, actually it was a image of your reduced syllabus. If you are a class 12 HSC Maharashtra Board class 12 IT student, Then I guess it is a reduced syllabus for science students. An image that I have taken, right? So from this you can save this image or open in a new tab, whatever it is. Will open in a new tab. See over here, it shows. So I guess students, I have covered all the practice part that has been done over here, that by using tags, the body tag, this all tags, okay. And one basic I will by leaving this session, I will do it. BG color. We'll use a BG color over here, nice BG color. You can say yellow, right? See, this is what? This is the tag and this is the attribute and this is the value. See, yellow is the value, right? Yellow is the value and BG color is the attribute and this is the tag, right? Always remember these things. And first of all, we'll mention the, okay, mention the, you can say, title. So now we'll see. Now it is being highlighted. The image has been highlighted because the image is in the background is, the image of the background color is white color. So I have taken some different color so that it will be come as a popping color or a popping image or a highlighted image between this web page. Okay students, so see over here we have done this, right? So this is all about the sample, you can say, HTML live session we have taken. This, see, this session could be helpful for computer science class 12 students, right? Computer science class 12 students as well as HSC IT Maharashtra board class 12 students as well, or ICSC boards 9-10 students as well, if they have actually not if I'm very much sure that in 9th or 10th they have this HTML, basic HTML codings and all, right? So this was this, and please subscribe the channel if you want to learn Python programming, Java programming, HTML, right? This all, if you want to learn over here, then you can by subscribe this channel, okay. By subscribing this channel you can learn all basic concepts of this, right? So students, I will wrap up over here the session, okay. I will wrap up this session, okay. Network connectivity again gone, okay. First of all, I'll check with the internet, okay, right. So internet has been stopped, I guess. It's receiving error, okay. Then also the stream close to end only, right? It gone past you can say 39 minutes, 40 minutes is nearby 40 minutes. So fine, we'll end up over here. Sorry for the inconvenience if you face some lag, video lag over here. And again, I will tell you that in the next lecture we will see some other tags like form tag, table tags, okay. These two tags will especially we'll see, right? So till then, thank you, have a good day, bye. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and thank you. I'm ending over here students.